in the vast silence of space. One star binds a family of worlds, our solar system. At its center blazes the Sun, a fiery giant over 1,000,000 times larger than Earth. Around it, planets move in endless orbits, from Mercury's scorched surface to Neptune's icy winds. These are not just spheres, but worlds of heat, storms, oceans, and frozen mysteries. Join this journey to uncover how they formed and shaped the universe we call home. 1. Mercury. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, lies about 77 million kilometers from Earth. It is the smallest planet in our solar system, only 4,880 kilometers in diameter. A day here, one full rotation, takes 59 Earth days, while a year is just 88 Earth days. With no significant atmosphere, Mercury cannot trap heat, causing extreme temperatures, scorching hot during the day and freezing at night. Its surface is rocky, heavily cratered, and geologically resembles Earth's moon. Mercury has no moons, standing alone as a silent, barren world, scorched by the sun. 2. Venus. Venus, Earth's twin in size, is around 41 million kilometers away from Earth at its closest, with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers. Venus rotates extremely slowly. One day equals 243 Earth days, and it spins in the opposite direction of most planets. A year here lasts 225 Earth days. Its thick atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet. The surface is volcanic, with vast plains and mountains hidden beneath dense clouds. Venus has no moons, making its beauty both fascinating and lonely. 3. Earth. Earth, our home, is 12,742 kilometers in diameter, but it orbits the Sun at an average distance of 150 million kilometers. A day lasts 24 hours, and a year is 365 days. Earth's atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and oxygen, sustains life. Its surface is geologically active, with oceans, mountains, valleys, and constantly shifting tectonic plates. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which stabilizes our planet's tilt and tides. It is the only world we know that hosts life. 4. Mars. Mars, the red planet, is about 225 million kilometers from Earth. It measures 6,779 kilometers in diameter. A Martian day, called a sol, lasts 24.6 hours, while its year stretches to 687 Earth days. The thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, allows for dust storms and freezing temperatures. Its surface is rocky, with vast deserts, the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the canyon system Valles Marineris. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, and shows evidence of ancient rivers, hinting at a watery past. 5. Jupiter. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, lies about 588 million kilometers from Earth. With a staggering diameter of 139,820 kilometers, it is the largest planet. Jupiter rotates rapidly, just 10 hours for one day, while a year takes 12 Earth years. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, filled with massive storms, including the Great Red Spot. Beneath the clouds, pressures rise to form liquid metallic hydrogen, and a solid core may lie deep inside. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each a world of its own. 6. Saturn. Saturn, the ringed beauty, is about 1.2 billion kilometers from Earth. It has a diameter of 116,460 kilometers. One day here lasts only 10.7 hours, but a year takes nearly 29 Earth years. Its atmosphere, made of hydrogen and helium, swirls with fast winds and storms. Saturn's stunning rings are made of ice and rock particles. Beneath the gas layers, Saturn may have a rocky core surrounded by metallic hydrogen. It is home to 146 moons, the most famous being Titan, which has rivers and lakes of liquid methane. 7. Uranus. Uranus, the tilted ice giant, is about 2.6 billion kilometers from Earth. It is 50,724 kilometers wide. A day lasts 17 hours, while a year takes 84 Earth years. Unlike other planets, Uranus rotates on its side, making its seasons extreme. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a blue-green color. Beneath the atmosphere lies a mantle of icy water, ammonia, and methane over a rocky core. Uranus has 27 moons and a faint ring system, making it mysterious and unique. 8. Neptune. Neptune, the farthest giant, is about 4.3 billion kilometers from Earth. It has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers. A day on Neptune lasts 16 hours, while a year takes a staggering 165 Earth years. Its atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane gives it a deep blue hue, with the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. Beneath its clouds lies a mixture of water, ammonia, and methane ices surrounding a rocky core. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest, orbiting in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. 9. Pluto, dwarf planet. Pluto, though reclassified as a dwarf planet, is about 5.9 billion kilometers from Earth. It measures 2,377 kilometers in diameter. A day on Pluto lasts about 6.4 Earth days, while its year stretches to 248 Earth years. Its thin atmosphere, mostly nitrogen with traces of methane, freezes and collapses when Pluto moves farther from the Sun. Its surface is icy, with mountains of water ice and plains of frozen nitrogen. Pluto has 5 moons, the largest being Charon, which is so big that together they form a double system,